Hey guys, welcome to First Architecture School. In this session, I want to explain that what kind of pen is suitable for architectural sketching. We call this kind of pen as a fine liner. All kind of fine liner have a pin head, and this is very important for architectural sketching. As a matter of fact, the brand is not important. And it's better you find the cheapest one with high quality. One of the most important things to choosing the fine liner, because you have to put the cap at the bottom of the pen. For better sketch, you have to keep the pen in your hand from the top of the pen, maybe near by 5 centimeter distance. As you see here, the cap at the end is very important because of distance of the pen. Let me show you how to keep the pen in your hands. You have to keep it without any pressure. Look at the pen size, it's a 0.3. Now by controlling the pressure, you can draw any weight of the line, even from 0.1 to 0.8. So at the end, two things is very important. First thing is keep the pen from the top, and second one is the controlling the pressure on the pen.